All right, everybody, I have a good one for you. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna mix our Hochtown Distillery Bourbon, OSU edition, with Coca-Cola. But that's not it. We're gonna add in real cream of coconut. We're gonna shake that over some ice, put it in a glass, see what we got. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to, obviously, do 2 ounces of our bourbon. We're then going to take 1 ounce of our coconut cream. What I'm going to do on this one before we add the Coke, we are then going to put on our ice, and we're going to shake it to get that all nice and mixed up. Once we get it mixed, make a mess. We're going to grab our strainer. Looks good just by itself. We're straining our cup. Add our Coca-Cola. It's kind of like chocolate milk a little bit. Cheers. Not bad. I mean, honestly, the ratio of the coconut wasn't really there at all. It just tastes like a normal bourbon and Coke. So maybe if we add a little bit more coconut cream next time, you can get a little hints of coconut cream, but not bad. I wouldn't waste coconut cream to make another one of these unless I love the coconut cream. So, cheers.